on, guys, it's Jake here, back again. And guys, thank you so much for just watching the last episode. But yeah, guys, I'm here by myself and I don't think there's anyone here, so yeah, I'm really happy, guys.
Jake, hello?
Oh, what the fuck? Who the fuck are you? Oh, it's brother, no! Guys, I don't know who followed me. Brother, how did you follow me?
Well, I just wanted to go in this hot air balloon and I found you here.
No, bastard. Anyways, guys, brother, I'm not gonna jump, brother. I'm so scared.
Well, Jake, I'm gonna have to...
No, you fucking cunt. Yeah, I'm stuck here. But no! I died, no, what the fuck? Alright, guys, so as you can see, guys, I'm at the Rock Cascades. Oh, you're so excited, brother.
Yeah, we're gonna jump off.
Alright, let's go! Holy shit, fuck. No, fuck! So as you can see, guys, we're at the highest cliff ever. Yeah, guys, this is so high. Brother, do you have are you really high, brother?
Yeah, and Jake, look, Red Bull.
Holy shit, guys, Red Bull, it's so fucking good. Well, guys, I'm so high, you might even say I'm sky. Whoa, guys, holy shit, fuck. Anyways, guys, let's see, let's go! Alright, guys, so let's not die this time. Oh, it's like Fortnite! Holy shit, guys, this is so fucking good. Holy shit, guys. This reminds me of when I had a child one time. What the fuck is going on? I'm fucking stuck. No! Guys, I think I bought them, guys. Guys, no, what the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? Guys, I think I'm having a panic attack, guys. I don't know, I have my fucking hands on my head. What the fuck, guys? This is not cool at all, guys. Well, anyways, guys, see you there at the last one. Brother, what the fuck are you doing? Okay, so guys, as you can see here, guys, as you can see, there's a few yellow rings, like ding, ding, ding. You won't, guys, holy shit, guys. It's like ring, ding, 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 among us. Anyways, guys, as you can see here, brother, are you excited?
Yeah, Jake, those rings look mighty sussy.
Yeah, well, so let's go through the rings, cause I'm really sus. Holy shit, fuck, guys, this is so fucking cool. I can't fucking reach the rings, no. Ding, 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 da da ding. Holy shit, guys, so fucking good. I'm fucking stuck again. What the fuck is this? So anyways, guys, make sure you're sus. And yeah, guys, see you next time. Bye!
Bye, guys. Make sure you do your yoga poses.